Hey everybody, welcome to Life of Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And it has been another busy week. We were on the go all week. The only day I had that we actually were home all day was Monday. And I was home, but he wasn't. We went to church on Sunday, of course. And on Monday, he had to go meet the drywall guy who never showed up. So while he was in town, he went ahead and went to the gym. So I did not get to the gym that day. In fact, I only got to the gym once last week. But while he was away, I got busy and I started cleaning the kitchen for Thanksgiving. It's not completely cleaned yet, but the coffee maker has been cleaned. The the Hopa garden has been trimmed up, and the good leaves are still on it. The arrow garden I started, and I found out that we really don't need all 6 of them. If I just start 2 of them, it gives the plants plenty of room to grow, and it also gives us time to eat the lettuce. All 6 of them, a lot of the lettuce goes to waste. So, and then I did harvest some more zinnia seeds. Cleaned out the fridge, got it ready, got rid of the black utensils that I had. I liked the black ones and things, but they were really starting to show their age and weren't as pretty. And I read recently that if you got the older black ones, which I did, they were made out of material that wasn't exactly the best for people. And they suggested you get rid of them. So I got rid of those, and I went and got some stainless steel utensils to replace them. So that's what I did on Monday. I also went upstairs and finished cleaning out the pantry. Brought down the tote for November and December. The food's in there. I usually try to get 2 months worth of food into a tote. And of course, this is just on top of what we got in the freezer. And I haven't changed out taken away the pump from the fish pond yet. But I did change out the pump on the waterfall filter because it had stopped working again. And every time the electric goes off for a second, it doesn't come back, the pump doesn't come back on. So I decided just to put in a new pump. Kept the old pump. I'm going to take it apart and clean it and see if I can get it to work. So that is basically what I did on Monday. I tried to get as much done as I could because I knew on Tuesday I had a funeral visitation to go to from a member of our church, and I knew had to get my hair done. So I knew that was going to take up most of the day and I wouldn't get anything done. Wednesday it rained, so I couldn't work outside, but we did get to the gym, and we went and got meat from the meat market. Thursday we made another trip down to Jeffersonville, and then we came back and went and got the regular groceries for the week. And Friday we had a doctor's appointment for him to get a mole removed from his back. So that took most of the afternoon. Well, it took most of the day, all the afternoon. And of course, he couldn't do any gym or anything for a while. Wasn't supposed to lift anything. The mole was on his back, on his shoulder area, and he said not to lift anything until that for a few days to allow that to heal. And then on Saturday, our oldest son came down on Saturday, and we had pizza and just spent time visiting with him. So that has been our week. The pup has started eating better again. Found out that she loves salmon, and looked it up, and it says it's good for her. I was hunting for actual dog food that had salmon in it and could not find any. So she gets a little bit of human salmon in water. And if I could find it in olive oil, I'd give it to her in olive oil, but I can just find it in water. So that's what she's been putting on top of her food, and she's been eating it. Knock on wood, hopefully she continues to do it. So, usual things I do, take care of the animals and stuff. Open and close the greenhouse as needed, and all those things we keep doing. So, hope you had a good week. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.